This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sherry Mulhare. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac in Ford's Colony, this custom-designed and built, transitional-style home has it all. Entering the foyer, you will be drawn to the bank of windows overlooking green space. The open floor plan features space to gather around the large center island with areas for dining and relaxing. Be sure to step into the screened porch to experience the privacy of the backyard. The dining room has hardwood floors, chair rail and large crown moldings. With a home office it will be easy to telecommute, if need be. The primary bedroom ensuite is on the first floor, and features a large tiled shower, double vanities and walk-in closets. The upper level has 3 additional bedrooms. Ford's Colony is an award-winning gated community offering pools, playgrounds, golf, tennis and miles of trails. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherry Mulhare at 757-719-4112.